Hello everyone, this is English class. Today in this video I will let you know how to look up the meaning of any word that you don't understand. So first of all, I would personally recommend you to use monolingual dictionary because a monolingual dictionary is written only in English. A monolingual dictionary has lots of different information about every word in English. The dictionaries have lots of information about grammar and pronunciation as well. A monolingual dictionary can sometimes be confusing because it has multiple definitions for every word, but still, it is far better compared to other dictionaries. Most of the time, what we do when we concern dictionary, when we use dictionary, sometimes we are confused with some words, then we search it in the dictionary, and we just take one meaning and we move forward. But that is not the perfect way to use dictionary, because if you use dictionary that way, then second time you will be entangled with the same word. But there is one perfect approach to use dictionary and to search for words. That is, first of all, whenever you search any word in the dictionary, go for its pronunciation, because it has been the problem in non-native speakers that they don't know the exact pronunciation and accent of some particular words. Whenever they listen to native speakers, they don't understand them, and at the same time they cannot express themselves with the wrong pronunciation. So it's important to go for pronunciation and accent in the starting whenever you search any word in the dictionary. For example, I'm taking a word bank. I don't know the meaning of bank, so I search it. What is the meaning of bank? When I search it, then I see its meaning: an institution where one can place and borrow money and take care of financial affairs. And at the same time, I am taking another meaning: an underwriter or controller of a card game. And I'm looking for so many other meanings. So I want that I have to get to know all these meanings. That's the perfect way. That is the better way to use dictionary, that you will have to exhaust all the meanings, you will have to understand all the meanings given in the dictionary. So your approach must be maximum to understand that particular word. Then you must go for its verbs. Can If that particular word can be used as a verb, like bank, we can use bank as a verb. Its present form of verb is bank, present participle banking, simple past and past participle are banked. So it means we can use the bank word as a verb. When I move forward, I go through some more meanings of bank. Here it is written: an edge or river, lake or other watercourse, an elevation or rising ground under the sea, shallow area of the shifting sand, gravel, mud or so forth. Then geographically, a slope of earth, sand, an embankment. So there are so many other meanings of bank. This way, whenever we go for any meaning, whenever we search any word, we will have to go for other meanings as well. Don't take that meaning only that you need in particular context, but you will have to go for other meanings as well. This is the perfect approach to understand the word. Face that its benefit is that whenever you face that particular word in different contexts, you are not confused. You can interpret that particular word because you have gone through that particular word deeply. And one more thing, whenever you go for that particular word, you will have to see that whether you can use that particular word as an adjective, adverb, a noun, verb, or another way. That is also important. So I hope you got it, and you will make it habit that whenever you search in dictionary one particular word, you go through it deeply. Thank you for watching the video.